babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to go ahead and be using this clay wash by Chocolate Kings and Curl. It is their Nuterra Black K and Maki Berry clay wash. It is supposed to moisturize, detox, and strengthen the hair. The scent on it smells, it's a very opaque scent of berry, but it still smells very fine. You can still smell that clay right behind it. The thickness of it is thick as a clay wash should be. Now I'm just reading the instructions. There's two ways to use it. One, you can just go ahead and use it as a wash where you go ahead and massage it into your scalp and rinse it out. And the second one, to actually get the detoxifying benefits, is to go ahead and apply it from roots to the ends and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And as you can see, once I did go ahead and rub it between my hands, it did start to go ahead and thin out, which I was actually surprised about, but not really, because I do use Chocolate Kings and Curls clay washes often. I am able to finger detangle, and of course, would it be a video of mine if I had product left on my forehead? So I did go ahead and remove that and just continue to apply the clay wash. Now, the clay wash did feel so softening going on. I was able to finger detangle. I felt my hair absorbing the product, so I did go ahead and go in with more product. And I think it was because I was in the shower and it was steamy in there. So the steam and the hotness, again, just products all over me. It's not a video without it. So I did go ahead and apply it. As you guys can see, it is defining my curls so well. My curls are looking juicy, and that is one of the reasons that I do love Chocolate Kings and Curls products, because they just do something for my hair, which is something amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish applying it. After this, all that I'm going to do is apply a plastic cap over and leave it on in the shower for 15 to 20 minutes and then finish rinsing it off. I'm just making sure that all of my hair is coated at this point, just running my fingers through, and to go ahead and just ensure that my hair is evenly coated. Something that I normally don't do is pass over my Tangle Teezer. With the Tangle Teezers, you can really see how this product is doing with my hair. Like, can we just take a moment to just look at the definition that this is giving my hair? I like to use a Tangle Teezer while deep conditioning or using a wash as such, just to make sure that all of my hair is reaping the benefits of the actual product. And I just like to see the little ringlets, honestly. I won't even lie. So after this, I will just be washing my hair out. Well, I will be putting it all together. It's optional. You don't have to. You can just leave your hair as is. There is no protocol for you to just wrap it up, but I just did it to get it out of the way so I can continue to do what I had to do in the shower. And you guys, when I tell y'all that I put on this plastic cap and it made a difference, I mean, it made a difference. You guys were not able to see my reaction just coming out of it, but rinsing this out just felt amazing. My hair was extremely soft. The definition and the juiciness and the moisture that my hair had was unbelievable to me. Unbelievable. I just could not believe that my hair looked this good. As you guys can see from my expression, I was extremely pleased and happy.